India has just lost the Asian century. That's the stark reality emerging from New Delhi's foreign policy failures. Manmohan Singh and before him Rajiv Gandhi believed in one powerful idea. This is the Asian century. And when that century was imagined, it was assumed that India and China would lead it together. But look at the reality today. China stands far ahead economically, technologically, and militarily. India, meanwhile, got trapped between two forces, non-alignment and Hindutva-driven politics. Today, India looks increasingly isolated in its own neighborhood, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives. And when a vacuum appeared, who stepped in to fill it? China. Instead of becoming Asia's leader, India has become a junior partner in America's Asia-Pacific strategy. History shows one clear rule. When great powers rise, they do not depend on someone else's policy, someone else's strategy, or someone else's plan. They rise by shaping their own. India had the opportunity. It lost it. China claimed it. And the Asian century now clearly belongs to Beijing, not New Delhi. The question is, should India have partnered with China to lead Asia? Or is this just the inevitable result of different political systems? Drop your thoughts below.